Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine and safe. Today we are going to start unit number 10, our national identity. Students, in this unit we will read about our traditions, customs and culture. Unit number 10, our national identity. Before starting this unit, students, do you know what is identity? Identity is a sense of nation as a whole as representative by culture or tradition. स्टूडेंट्स, आइडेंटिटी किसी भी नेशन की पहचान को कहते हैं और जिससे हमें उस नेशन की ट्रेडिशन और कल्चर के बारे में पता चलता है. All over the world, people live in different countries. These countries are apart from each other. Students, as we know, 7.8 billion people live in different countries of the world, and all these countries are apart from each other. From geographical, historical, social, political, and religious point of view, people of each country have their own ways of life. Students, the people of these countries have their own ways of life. They are geographically, historically, socially, and politically different from each other. Student, geographical means area or region. So the area or region one country occupy is different from other countries. As we are Pakistani, we can say that Pakistan is geographically different from all other countries in the world. Student, historical is the past event concerning. For example, we are Pakistani, our independence history or our history is different from the history of other countries. Students, social is relating to the society as we believe to live together as family in one house. Our parents, our grandparents and all other our family lives together under one roof, but the people live in other countries do not have such belief. So our social environment or social norms are different from each other. Student, political is related to government or public affairs. Our political environment, political matters and events are also different from other countries. And student, religious, as we know, is the belief in or faith in Allah. As we are Muslim, our belief Allah is one and we spend our lives according to the Quran and Sunnah, but the people of especially non-Muslim countries do not have such beliefs. Their clothes are different, they have different food, they speak different languages, their customs and religions are quite different. We can say that each country has its own national identity. Student, people of these countries are different not only in culture or tradition but have different taste and different languages. So each country has its own national identity. We live in Pakistan. Pakistan is our dear country. It has 4 provinces, but we are all Pakistanis. The citizens of Pakistan have their own national identity. Students, we are Pakistani, so our national identity is different from the identity of other countries. We have our own culture, tradition, history, politics and geographics. For example, students, people live in Pakistan celebrate 14th August as their day of independence, but the citizens of America celebrate 4th June as their day of independence. One more example, students, people live in Pakistan mostly they are Muslims and mostly they wear shalwar kameez on religious occasion, but the people live in especially non-Muslim countries get dressed according to their environment. Look at the picture. This is the national flag. It is green and white. It has a white crescent and a star. Our national anthem is Qaumi Tarana. We respect and sing our Qaumi Tarana with great pride and honor. Student, look at this picture. This is our national flag. It has two colors, green and white. White color represent minorities, means non-Muslims, and green color represent majorities, which are Muslims in Pakistan. Students, we sing our Qaumi Tarana. We should stand to attention with right hand over our heart and should read it with great pride and honor. Pakistanis are Muslim. Islam is our national religion. Our national dress is shalwar kameez. Some Pakistanis wear trouser and shirts. Student, as we know, 98% population of Pakistan are Muslims. Our state religion is Islam, and we wear shalwar kameez as a symbol of our national identity. Following are some other things which show our national identity. Pakistani money, currency, which is rupee. Our national language, which is Urdu. Our national game, hockey. Our national flower, jasmine. Student, all these things present here are showing our national identity. Students, look at this chart. These are the national symbols of Pakistan. National animal, makor. This is our national animal. Bird, chakoor. National fruit, mango. Father of nation, Quaid-e-Azam. National poet, Allama Iqbal. National flag, national flower, jasmine. National mosque, Faisal Mosque. National juice, sugarcane. National Indus. National motto, unity, faith, discipline. Moon and star. National language, Urdu. National tree, Deodar. And national dress is shalwar kameez. All Pakistanis who live in different parts of the country are brother and sisters. They love each other. They love Pakistan. They help each other in time of need. They work together for the prosperity, integrity and progress of their country. Student, prosperity is the state of being happy. इसे हम उर्दू में खुशहाली कह सकते हैं. वो कंडीशन जिसमें हम खुश हों वो हमारी प्रॉस्पेरिटी कहलाती है. इंटेग्रिटी इज़ द स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग होल, यानी कि हम सबका एक साथ इकट्ठे मिलके रहना हमारी इंटेग्रिटी कहलाती है. एंड प्रोग्रेस इज़ द डेवलपमेंट टूवर्ड्स मच इम्प्रूव कंडीशन, यानी कि और तरक्की करना और तरक्की की तरफ जाना हमारी प्रोग्रेस कहलाती है. Students, people live in Pakistan are connected to each other by brotherhood. They are very helpful to each other in difficult times. They fight with their national and international dangers together. They also work together as families for the benefit, development, prosperity, integrity and progress of their country. Okay students, I hope you understood all about this unit. Now it's time to learn some new and difficult words. Geographical, Geographical, geographical. Historical, Historical, historical. Social, Social, social. Social, social. Religious, Religious, religious. Political, Political, political. Customs, Customs, customs. Identity, Identity, identity. Anthem, Anthem, anthem. Qawmi, Qumi, Qawmi. Tarana, Tarana, Tarana. Jasmine, Jasmine, jasmine. Hockey, Hockey, hockey. Prosperity, Prosperity, prosperity. Integrity, Integrity, integrity. Progress, Progress, progress. Okay students, it's time to answer some question about this unit. Question number 1. What colors and shapes are in Pakistani flag? Our flag is green and white in colors and it has a crescent and a star on it. What colors and shapes are in Pakistani flag? Our flag is green and white in colors and it has a crescent and a star on it. Question number 2. From which point of view people of each country are different? People of each country are different from geographical, historical, social, religious and political point of view. From which point of view people of each country are different? People of each country are different from geographical, historical, social, religious and political point of view. Okay students, I hope you understood all about this unit. That's all for today. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.